Hi, so I just want to give you a quick overview of your dashboard. So when you log in, you should see the development tab. If you don't, if it says something else, you can just click these dots on the left and development will be right here, and click that. So everyone on your team sees this page, and you click, well, here's the header, and there's different options. So this is your dashboard, my portfolio summary. I'll get to that in a second. And then I put a few shortcut reports here. These are your gifts in the last 60 days, meaning your portfolio of donors. Their hard gifts the last 60 days, and any soft credits from your portfolio of donors that came in the last 60 days. Unfortunately, I can't put hard gifts and soft gifts on the same report, so I have to separate them out. This soft credit report specifically, it's for donations that are marked as like a gift fund donor. So if John Smith is your donor and he gives through Charles Schwab, that, let's say, $5,000 gift would appear on this report, not here. Okay, so my portfolio summary, this is based on your portfolio. So transactions I own. Oh, first thing, you should always get into the habit of refreshing your dashboard because it will not update automatically. So you have to press that refresh button, and that it's turning right now. And then when it's complete, the new date will be here. It still says refreshing. I'll give it a second. Okay, so finished refreshing. Transactions I own. This chart is blank because this will show you gifts where you have put your name as the transaction owner. So these are gifts that you have directly influenced. And Justin can talk to you more about when to put your name as the transaction owner. So the other reports here, this is your increases report. These are all of your donors. Hopefully these names look familiar. So this is their giving in FY19 versus this fiscal year. So FY20 versus FY19, as is the title here. And then we have the difference. And I just put their last gift here, when they donated last. So that's your current increases. And then as a reference, I put FY19 versus FY18. So similarly, same exact format. They're giving their total gifts last fiscal year and their total gifts 2 fiscal years ago, and the difference. GFD, the reason these labels are so wonky, all these columns capture your donors' true giving. Any hard gifts they've given, plus any gifts where they're the gift fund donor. So that's what these weird titles are. So these are your increases. Donors, who gave this year but not last year. Excuse me, donors that just comparing their giving each fiscal year. And this is actually the donated last fiscal, but not this fiscal year. So these are like your lapsed donors. You could see their last gift date was, last fiscal year, so they have not yet given it again. So this might be a good report to rely on to see, who typically gives maybe in September, and you would see that they have not yet given. Back at the top, so this is your dashboard, and you have your 2 last 60 days reports, and this is another quick portfolio report. I'm just going to click that, and this is a list of everyone that is assigned to you, and just their basic giving, their name, city and state, total giving. This is like total, lifetime giving, total number of gifts, their last gift amount, last gift date. Oh, oops, I have one too many columns here. I'll remove one of these. So their last gift and their largest and their circle status. And that's it.